the Finance Minister has announced a big relief in statutory compliance for GST. The department has also come up with detailed circular a few days back. In this video, I would like to explain you 3 things that you need to specially take care of with respect to this new GST updates, which if not taken care of might land you up in heavy interest and penalties. Hi friends, I am CA Ketan Sarage and welcome to our channel Life Made Easy, where we decode and simplify various issues around finance, accounts and tax. Before we proceed with the video, please make a note that the content of this video is purely for information purpose. The GST department has come up with a circular mentioning the relief announced by the Finance Minister. As can be seen, that the GST due dates for the month of Feb, March and April are not technically extended, but only an additional dates are been given, wherein if you file your returns for these months on or before those due dates, you will be completely waived from paying interest, late fees or penalties. Again, in that, if your turnover for this year is more than 5 crores, the waiver in interest is only 9%, that is, instead of 18%, will pay interest at the rate of 9% and only after 15 days from the original due date. So, coming to the staggered due dates, you can see the dates are being bifurcated based on the turnover of the GST dealer for the preceding financial year. Now, this brings to my first important point, the importance of preceding financial year. Why this importance of preceding financial year? Because that will determine your dates for the particular month. If you miss those dates, you are completely missing out the benefit given under this circular. Say for example, let's take for the month of March 2020. My preceding financial year will be financial year 18-19. For the month of April 20, my preceding financial year will be 19-20. So that's a different financial year. So while determining the due date for the month of March 20, say my turnover in financial year 18-19 was less than 5 crore, I'll say my due date or last date is 29th of June. But if I'm calculating the date for the month of April 2020, I'll see my turnover for the year financial year 19-20. If that's more than 5 crore, my date applicable for the month of April will be 24th June 2020. If I need to avail this, I need to file my return for the month of March 2020 before 24th of June. That's the tricky part. But why is that so important? This brings to my second important point, the waiver of interest. So if you are a GST dealer with turnover of more than 5 crore, this point is really important for you. As per the circular, you are already getting a relief of interest at the rate of 9% per annum. But if you miss the due date even for a single day, you completely lose out on the benefit. For example, if you are looking for the filing for the month of April 2020 and your preceding year's turnover is 5 crore, obviously the new dates that's applicable to you will be 24th of June. If you file your returns on or before 24th of June, no issues, no problem, you can take the benefit of the circular, you pay interest on the delayed days at the rate of 9%, but instead of 24th, you filed on 25th June, you completely miss out on all the benefits. So the interest that you need to pay will be at 18% instead of 9%. That's why it's important to determine the exact preceding financial year and accordingly either to the dates applicable. Moving on to my third point, which speaks about the GST for composite dealers. In case you are a normal taxpayer or normal GST dealer in the financial year 19-20 and now you want to opt for GST under composition for the financial year 2021, the original due date was 31st of March. As per the circular, you can still file for option for composition up to 30th of June. One thing to notice over here is, till the time you don't file that option form, please do not file your GSTR 3B or GSTR 1 for any months of the financial year 2021, because if you do so, you completely miss out on opting for composition for the next financial year. So friends, these were the 3 important things that I wanted to share about the new GST updates. Please take care of this while doing your filings. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, please don't hesitate to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos, because we are here to make your life easy and simplified around finance, accounts and tax. Thank you and take care.